Waiting for a Girl by Foreigner is made up of 4 scenes. If you're playing a 61 key or a 73 key, press the octave plus button. And the intro starts with the synth on the B flat right here. On the left side, we have the Rhodes electric piano and one of the pad notes right here. And we play the bells up here. If you have a 61 key, play the B flat minor this way. And the G major chord this way. For 73 and 88, you can play the full chord by doing this. Scene 2 plays the verses. Scene 3 is a choir sound and a Rhodes layer. And for the chorus, we have scene 4, which starts with the Rhodes electric piano. And you need a foot switch to trigger the brass synth. Right here. So I actually step on a switch pedal that's plugged in the switch input and triggers the brass sound. And we go back to scene 1 for the intro. And that was Waiting for a Girl by Foreigner as part of the Session Gig Covers set, available at narfsounds.com.